Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. We're back in the workshop and the floors are done. It looks amazing, and as you can see behind me, we have big plans for today. Today we want to improve the sound in this workshop, and of course we can't break the bank for that. So I'm going to show you a few simple and cheap methods you can do at home to improve the sound in such an environment, to make it easier to spend time in and also make it better for recording videos or sound. As you can hear of this raw audio, it's quite echoey in here. Behind me is a lift that I lent from my landlord. Thanks to him, I don't have to spend a single penny to use such nice equipment, because imagine doing this with a ladder. It's almost like 5 meters tall in here. So that's a great thing to have for today. So that thing is a real game changer for today. Let me show you. Let's go! And just like that, isn't that amazing? So let me show you what we will use for soundproofing this place. So in order to soundproof this place, I picked up 10 of these sound absorbers from a music studio that shut down. They are like a DIY solution. It's a wooden frame filled with rock wool, and then the visible side has this acoustic fabric on top, and the back is just some like cheaper fabric. We have to put some hooks in the corners, so we have a possibility to hang them from the ceiling. And I also have something for the walls. I picked up some rest of carpet flooring, brand new carpet flooring that didn't need anymore. I picked that up, and then I calculated what would be cheaper. Should I build my own wooden frames to put it on, or should I look for something else? And I picked up these cheap canvases for like $6 or $7 a piece. I have 8 of them, and that should be plenty for the fabric I have. These will go on the wall, and in combination with these panels, I think the sound should improve greatly in here. So let's get started. So I removed all the old fasteners from these, and I will drill one hole in each corner and then put in one hook in each corner so we can hang them from the ceiling. And now I only have to do that 39 more times. Let's go. Okay, and just like that, all these have some hooks on them, and now we need to add some chain. So now I got some of this chain, and I'm gonna cut short lengths of it, attach it to the panels, and then we will mount them on the ceiling. So I made me a little jig. Here's a little screw. Drew an arrow here so I can see where I need to cut it. Grab that piece with my pliers. And cut it with the angle grinder. Take the other pair of pliers, bend it open, and there you have it. These are my lengths. And I'll just do that 39 more times. Let's go. Okay, and just like that, all the hooks are installed. Time to mount these on the ceiling. I'll drill some holes, I'll put you on the time lapse, and we'll see how it goes. So I hung up 4 out of the 10 panels, and when you stand right under it, you already can notice a difference. Unfortunately, the lift ran out of battery, so we will start with our next task and build the sound absorbers for the walls. So to build these sound absorbers, I have some carpet and 8 canvases from my local DIY store. All I'm going to do is cut the carpet to size and staple it onto the canvases, and it should work well. So this is what the final product looks like. I think it's quite interesting, to be honest. If I have a bunch of these on the wall, that should help the sound tremendously. One done, 7 more to go. Okay everyone, it's the second day, and as you can see behind me, I've already been good at work. I hung 3 more panels on the ceiling, and I hung all these 8 DIY sound dampeners on the wall. And I have one more thing that's going in here permanently, and I'm quite excited for it because I had it for like 3 months even before I got this place, but I knew it had to be in here. So 1 second. It's an old carpet. It looks really cool and it's really big. 1 second. And there you have it. And this wraps up this video. Before I let you guys go and show you some nice cinematic shots, we have to do the sound check. So remember, this is what it sounded like before. And this is what it sounds like now. I don't know if it comes across on camera. In here it's really noticeable. The echo got much shorter, and whatever I did today, I can just multiply to get it even better. Altogether, this cost me less than $200, like 180 euro-ish. With all the mountings, all this stuff, I got really lucky. Carpet was for free, so let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.